Can you share like with us the highlights of the birds in your life?
Wow, how do I say that? Birds all my life. You know, I started fighting over a bird. That's why I'm who I am now. Over a bird, I'm Mike Tyson. I never fought in my life. Everybody's always fuck with me. The one fucking bird. Right? That's how I look at it.
Did you feel like there was some kind of spirituality event that happened when
Yeah,
that
yeah,
happened for you,
big
Mike?
time, 100%.
Yeah, because from my
I
perspective,
took up for myself for the first time. And all the guys that picked on me, they came to me to fight all the guys. I was their savior. You know, they used to bully me.